little guy. There he is. Nice fish. Good start to the day. So we're out here winter fishing. It's like freaking, it's really, really cold. And Anjay, someone texted him, and he was letting his tube sit, and he just caught this little guy. So it's a nice little half-pounder.
This is my first fish ever on a tube.
His first, like one of his first fish here. So it's a nice fish, and on the tube.
We switched up, we pulled up into the mouth.
Dude, I need to land for you.
He's not really pulling drag.
Oh, I got him. Just wanted to land him. Yes, what's that, like a pound and a half? Yeah, dog. Pound and a halfer on the tube. First time I've ever used the tube, actually.
Yeah. I just decided, you know what, I'm gonna learn how to fish a tube. It's not a real common thing here in the south to fish a tube. It's mainly like a northern thing.
But we never even fished this lake really. So it's rather impressive.
Yep. Well, get back to you.
Nice fish, get back to you more action.
Billy's got one.
On
a tube.
Yes.
Cool.
First one of the day. Dude, we're destroying it here for winter fishing.
Yeah, I know. We don't know really what we're doing.
Dude, but this bass is cold. Like he's been feeding on something. You see his mouth?
I think they've been feeding on shad and stuff.
That's our third fish on the tube. Got it. Just watermelon.
Let's get up close to it.
That was classic because he gets with a tube big hit on it.
Yep.
So, another nice fish.
I think it's the, we're fishing a 1/4 ounce tender tube. Got these on sale at Bass Pro the other day.
Third fish on it though. So, another good fish. Get back to more action.